So Blackpink's back? Like for real. Like no bullshit. Blackpink got back with another comeback, stacking up money with Lisa with another rap. Hit us with another deadline, grab a cup. Popping that wine, now we got poured up. Got me feeling like Jenny when I'm taking shots. Ass twerking too much, call it earthquake. All the haters be talking too much. Now they not. All killed to the top of the peak, Mount Rushmore, where the air's elite. Too busy playing with my game, boy. We not the same, boy. Toxic to the end till we go to hell. Now reaching in my pocket, here's an extra L. Got me feeling like a rock star, top of cop car. When we fucking up the world, yeah, we going knock knock. Who the hell's that? I don't know, go check. It's your boy Chef JRE. I heard the girls are back with a comeback. Matter of fact, I need to react before you get smacked. What you doing in my room, bro? Stop playing, stop messing with my flow. Move out the way, gotta let the people know. But they gotta know. Play my intro. BLACKPINK. I had to do a little intro. I had to do a little something in the beginning. It's been a minute. I need to do more of that, I think. I'm gonna do more reaction with some, either a skit or like, you know, just be creative. Be creative, Dre. We got Blackpink, Go, Deadline album, mini album, right? I think. I'm ready. Let's get into it, shall we? In 3, well, there's a countdown right here. Be sure to check out my Patreon, link in the description. Twitch.tv, I play games over there. Let's get it. Blackpink in the building. I don't know why I did that. I'm nervous, bro. Okay, it's like the teasers. Oh, okay, Rose. Wait, is this 4K? Is this 4K? Ooh. Where they at? Your God an angel. Your kingdom come. Okay. Oh my God! Hold up, let me see it. Oh my God, Jenny. Where's Jisoo at? What? What we gonna do? Bruh. Chills, y'all. There she is. There she is. Woo! Yup. Woo. Okay, I didn't know it was gonna drop like this. Hey. Hey. Oh wait. I'm missing visuals. Go back. I was getting too lit. Damn, they're going hyper speed, hyper warp. What the hell? Y'all see this?
Go get it, I'ma go get it. Never gon' set it for second. I need a gold medal.
Oh. Okay, she coming in strong with the lace.
Go get it, I'ma go get it. Never gon' set it for second. I need a gold medal. Get up on the floor, tell me when to go. No slow jams, pumping through the speakers when I do my go-go dance.
Go-go dance.
When I wanna go, I'm so gone. Reckless, go all like what could go wrong. I'm going all in. You should know that's my go-to. My whole crew with me if I go to the go-to.
Let's go. Go Jisoo. Where's Rose? No, sorry. Actually, I haven't heard of them. I've seen her in a while. There she is. They're so angelic. Oh, they're shedding? Damn. Let's get it. Okay. Bro. You know, I thought I had a bias, but OT4. Oh, what is on it? Wax? Oh, the wings. Damn, Rose. Oh, the winks, the eyes. This feels like an intro to an album.
I wonder if it's like the first part of like the mini album too. Ooh, the bass. Pink, black, pink, black, pink. Hey, 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 hey. Okay. Who's kissing? That last part too, where they like just focus on the bass more. It seems like an intro to a world tour. I like the ad-lib like clips of them like talking and laughing. Ooh, when that hits, hey. Hey, let's go. Damn. The amount of people in this. God dang, they were just making out. Who the hell that is? That's love. That's love right there. She in control. That beginning with Rose, my God. Girl. Take it. Oh, she's gonna rescue me. Okay. They look fine. My God, Lisa. Ooh. Jenny's introduction is iconic. Ooh. Visuals, bruh. It's like I'm going into a club in the darkness. I feel like a vampire in the club. Damn. I know they spent money on this. God damn. That mask.
Get it, I'm a go getter. Never go set it for second. I need a go mitter. Get up on the float. Tell me when to go. No slow jams. Pumping through the speakers when I do my go-go dance.
What's your go-go dance?
I go when I wanna go. I'm so gone. Go reckless. Go off. Like what could go wrong? I'm going all in. You should know that's my go-to. My whole crew with me.
That pressure though. She's holding it back though. Oh. Talk to him. Damn, she is beautiful. My God. Woo. And she's holding it together. The wiring, or they're pulling her back to on the ground. What the hell is that visual? Oh, rebirth, shedding, unmasking. Wow. Oh, they spent money. What they usually do. Hey. I don't know why I'm singing with her. I'm sorry. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. She got me like. Sheesh. Ooh, wow, the shattering. She smashed her face into the bridge. Damn. Ooh, that part right here gets me. Whew. Bro, I need to feel this in like a stadium or like a club or even in a car. What the fuck? What's that, metamorphosis? What is that? Damn. Damn. BLACKPINK, go. I think it's just the beginning. I really think. like the beginning of like the album itself. It sets a tone of what we're gonna get into of this mini album. All right, y'all, put a comments down below what you guys think of Blackpink. Go. I'm gonna check out the album probably on the Patreon. If you haven't already followed my Patreon, it is free. Go check it out. I post first listens over there for free. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my intro, my little rap. It was a last minute thing, but I just want to have fun with it. I think I need to have like be more creative with like these like videos, of course, and I kind of found my new love for that again, so that's a good thing. All right, well, guys, enjoy Blackpink or enjoy anything, any type of music you want to listen to. Yeah, it's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.